This is code.org. Let's see what we're doing. Exploring Sprites. This program uses some new blocks that you haven't seen before. Do this with your partner. Hi, partner, person on the computer. Read the code and discuss how you think it works. Change some of the lines, see what happens. All right, run. All right, var. So now I'm creating this variable, and the variable's name is fruit. I'm setting fruit to be equal to create sprite 100, 200. So sprite is a term used in 2D computer game making, and it is referencing a state of an image. So this is a sprite and this is a sprite. It's just the picture. So this variable is created, and what it's going to be is whatever sprite, and we're going to put that sprite at 100x 200y. See 100, 200? Now we set the animation. So without setting the animation, it would just be a gray blob. The computer knows we want an image there, but we just say create a sprite at this point. We don't give it the image. This line here is what smacks the image into fruit. So now it would be this. Vegetable, 300, 200, the carrot. Now it has an image as well. Then we draw the sprites and they both pop up. So, ta-da! I'm excited to see what we're going to do with this.